Hey guys, this video has been sponsored by TemplateMaster.com, the #1 website template company. They are providing the best and stunning website template for last 15 years since 2002. So come back to the video. Template Master is providing a variety of web templates which you can use to create a stunning and beautiful website for your business in no time. So you can find the Template Master website link under the description in this video, and you can also type in templatemaster.com in your browser to open that website. So once website is open, you can see different options in the home page. Like you can find the templates by CMS template, where you can find different CMS templates like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. You can also find the themes in website templates option, like if you want to find the responsive templates, if you want to find HTML site templates, if you want to find the bootstrap themes and much more. If you want to find the online store like PrestaShop, Vishumart, OpenCart, WooCommerce and much more. You can also find the theme by different categories like art and culture, animal and pet, design and photography, etc, etc. Template Master are additionally the plugins and assets. If you want to enhance the functionality of your website, then you can buy that plugins from the templatemaster.com. Alright, the process of getting theme is very simple on templatemaster.com. You can click on any theme. For example, once I click on that theme, I can see the sales of that theme, the collection, the live demo, the features, the details, the review given by the customers, comments, and of course the support for that theme. So you can click on edit to cart to select that theme in your cart. So you can check out now and make a payment, and boom, that's it. This is the simple process. Thank you very much.